Most people get this wrong. They see ads showing players winning cash on Bingo Cash and immediately assume it's either an easy money machine or a complete scam. Here's the truth no one tells you. The real answer is much more nuanced. In this video, you'll learn whether Bingo Cash is legit in 2026, how the platform works, where the money comes from, and the biggest misconceptions that cause confusion for new users. Let's answer the main question right away. Bingo Cash is generally considered a legitimate skill-based gaming app, not a scam. The app has real users, real competitions, and reports of successful withdrawals. However, that does not mean every player makes money. And that's where many people get confused. A legitimate app and a profitable app are not always the same thing. For example, John downloads Bingo Cash and enters paid tournaments. If he performs well against other players, he may win prize money. But if his opponents score higher, he could lose entry fees. The app functions as intended, but the outcome depends on competition and skill. But here's the problem. Many advertisements focus heavily on winning potential, while some users overlook the risks involved. This creates unrealistic expectations. This is where most people fail. They treat Bingo Cash like guaranteed income, instead of competitive entertainment with potential cash prizes. No legitimate skill-based gaming platform can guarantee profits for every player. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the easiest ways to evaluate legitimacy is to look at three factors. First, does the app provide a clear withdrawal system? Second, are there real users reporting successful payouts? Third, are the rules and terms available for players to review? If the answer is yes, that's usually a positive sign. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake to avoid before spending any money. Start with free or low-risk gameplay whenever possible. This allows you to learn the scoring system and improve your performance before entering higher-stakes competitions. For example, Jake jumps straight into paid tournaments without understanding the game mechanics. Alex spends time practicing first. Alex has a much better chance of making informed decisions because he understands how scoring works. But here's another important point. Even legitimate apps can generate negative reviews. Some players are unhappy because they lose competitions. Others may experience delays related to account verification or payment processing. Reading reviews carefully helps separate gameplay complaints from actual platform issues. So what's the final verdict? Based on how the platform operates, Bingo Cash appears to be a legitimate skill-based gaming app rather than a scam. However, legitimacy does not guarantee earnings. Success depends on skill, competition, and responsible expectations. The smartest approach is simple. Play for enjoyment first. Understand the rules. And never spend more than you're comfortable risking. Now you know the difference between a legitimate platform and unrealistic earning claims. If this video helped you, leave a comment with your experience, hit the like button, and subscribe for more honest app reviews, payout guides, and money-making app breakdowns. Thanks for watching.